Okay, family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So today my husband requests this for dinner, smoked red herring fillets, and this is about a half a pound. And you cook this not Jamaican style. You cook this like you not cook saltfish. Cook up saltfish, onion, tomato, and all of that. So I'm gonna boil this for I'm gonna boil this 2 times, and then the 3rd time I'm just gonna let it sit in water, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I prepare the rest of it. Okay, this is how it look. This is my first boil, and you can see it has a little oil over there, and also the color of the water change. That's all the salt and the processing from the smoke. So I'm gonna throw this off in another 10 minutes, and I'll come back and show you guys again. Okay family, I'm back. So in this pot I have about a tablespoon of coconut oil, and I have over here like a half an onion, tomato, and some piece of scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just gonna pour this in, and I'm just gonna saute this. And let this render down a little bit. And only thing you normally season this with is just black pepper and just salt to taste, because even though it's the smoked herring is already salted, so we're just going to add some black pepper to taste and just check it for salt. Okay, so I'm going to render this down a little bit, get the tomato all cooked and everything. And when I'm ready to add the salt herring, I'll be right back. Okay family, so this is how it's looking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dump the smoked herring in here. You can start doing what you're doing. Then I'm gonna mix it all in. I'm gonna add some more oil to this, because it needs some more oil. I'm using one hand and my hand is dancing. Go ahead. Thank you. Black pepper. I'm going to add some black pepper to this. And I'm going to turn my stove down. So, okay, perfect. So that's how it's looking. And I'm going to plate, and I'll be right back. Okay, family, I'm back. So my husband's dinner is done. You have 2 dumplings, some banana, and underneath is like some piece of cocoa. How they call it, malanga, something like that. So that's the finishing product of the smoked herring fillet, cooked up with onion, tomato, and pepper. And that's it. Until next time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, so when I upload another video you'll be notified. Until then family, bye bye.